Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Will and this is an episode of the Best Humans of New York. Best Driver of New York edition. That's right, this episode features me. I am the moron of this episode. The moron is me. I forgot to put my car in park before getting out to help my passenger with his luggage. As soon as I realize this, I'm already in the back of the car, and then I turn around to run and I slip on the wet road.
Hey. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Please don't touch that mistake.
That must be scary.
Oh my God. Scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, in the car, it was just moving so quickly. I stepped out of my car once with the same thing, but it was like it's moving slowly.
Oh man. I swear I thought I put it to park. I had a quick reaction, but I just slipped.
Yeah, I saw you.
Oof, that hurt.
Sorry about that.
Oh no, it's fine.
Okay, no harm, no foul.
Yeah, thank God it went okay. I have a pickup here.
Go to 6th floor and come back down. Follow this car.
Follow your front
But-
car, you got everything.
How do I get over there?
Go to 6th floor and come back down. You have to come that way.
Come from that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so my airport shenanigans didn't end there. Later that day, I had a pickup at another airport in the pickup garage. When the garage gets too congested, they close the second floor, which is designated for pickups, and force hundreds of Ubers to the 6th floor and to drive back down the garage on the other side. This backs up traffic for hours, and they do this without warning. They could have just closed the garage instead, but that's just my opinion.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
That's it. I've had it. As a freedom-loving American, I'm not going to accept this tyranny. I'm going to start a movement and free my fellow working-class people. Nobody followed my lead. Thanks for watching, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank all of you for your encouraging comments. It means a lot to me and helps fuel my desire to keep on going and pushing my channel to the next level. I hope you're all safe and staying home. I'm going to keep posting videos regularly since I have months of stockpiled content. I'm also thinking about starting a Twitch channel to stream me playing Call of Duty. If you're interested in that, I will put a link to join my Discord and talk to you guys on there. If you enjoyed my content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. It helps a lot.
Yes.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing well. Thanks for asking.